We'll guide you through how to disable your Gmail account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Account Management page by typing myaccount.google.com in the address bar. Make sure you're signed in with the Gmail account you want to disable. Once there, look for the Data and Privacy section in the left-hand menu and click on it. Scroll down until you find your Data and Privacy options. In this section, you'll see an option that says Remove a Google service. Click on that, and you might need to re-enter your password to proceed for security reasons. After that, you'll see a list of Google services associated with your account. Find Gmail, and next to it, you'll see a trash bin icon. Click on that icon to begin the process of disabling your Gmail account. Google will prompt you to enter an alternate email address, where you'll receive your account-related information. This is important because it ensures you can still access other Google services linked to your account, like YouTube or Google Drive, even after disabling Gmail. Once you've entered the alternate email, click Send Verification Email. Check your alternate email inbox, find the email from Google, and click on the verification link provided. This action will confirm the deletion of your Gmail account. Remember, this process is irreversible, so make sure you've backed up any important emails or information before proceeding. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.